Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily find the W-2 form in your Workday app. So all you have to do is access and log in to your Workday app. Then next is just click on the three-line icon at the top right of your screen to access menu. And from the list of apps, just click on Pay. Next is just select View Tax Documents, and from here you should be able to see a list of all your tax documents and have an option to view or print a specific W-2 form just by clicking on View or Print. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!